Who is the best scout?
A competition for the bravest scouts. Prove that you are the best at scouting and earn achievement badges.
Easy! Everyone knows that Charlie and I are the best scouts.
And why is
Make me laugh!
Stop arguing! Let's prove it by earning badges.
Hello, friends. Welcome to the scouting competition. I'm Chief Scout. Today, we will go hiking. The team that completes the tasks faster and better will receive achievement badges. Your first task is to pack your things for a hike. Let's pack our backpack for the hike. Move all the items to their places. Water, sleeping bag, compass, rope, package of vegetables. Excellent. The backpack is ready for the hike.
Chief Scout! Our team has prepared the backpack!
No badge.
Hooray!
Now it's time to go.
Mr.
Wow! What an old bridge! You need to fix it to continue your journey. Let's fix the logs. Tap on the hanging logs to secure them. That's better. Look, a goat went on the bridge. Tap on the goat to clear the way. Woohoo! Now the way is clear.
Oh no!
That was our tent!
Don't be upset. We scouts can always... Now we have to find a good place to set up camp.
What type of place should we look for?
It should be level and large enough to fit comfortably. Look what a nice clearing. We will set up our tents here.
But we don't have a tent!
What do we do?
In the forest, you can find everything you need to build an entire house. Teams, here's a new task for you. Oops, there are stones in the meadow. Let's take them away. Let's assemble the sledgehammer. Move the correct number of items to the slots. Excellent! The sledgehammer did the job very well. Now you can assemble the tent. Move the correct number of items to the slots. Woohoo! We made a wonderful tent.
Hooray!
We did it!
It was fun! The tent is so big! We can all fit in here! Yes! But then, who gets the scout badge?
It is the scout's duty to be helpful and to help others. Therefore, we will put a star on the tent. Here is a new task. We need to make dinner. We need to chop vegetables to put them on sticks. Slide your finger along the lines to cut vegetables. Slide your finger along the line. Perfect. Slide your finger along. Perfect. Slide your finger along the line. Slide your finger along. Excellent. The vegetable wedges are ready. Now let's put the vegetable wedges on the stick. Transfer the correct piece of vegetable onto the stick. Woohoo! Great job!
Done! We did it first!
Well done! You get Food Master badges.
Great! Who won our competition?
Friendship and good times won.
Who ate all the potatoes?
Magnifique! Everything looks wonderful! Well done, Mooney! Now, let's check if we have everything for our potato day! Lemonade? Check! Hot chocolate? Check! Marmalade? Check! Chips? Where's the chips?
I ate them all. I don't know how that happened. Oh.
How are we going to get more now?
Maybe they grow somewhere nearby.
Exactly, on a chip tree. Once upon a time, there lived a potato princess. She loved to jump rope. One day, while jumping rope, she tripped over it. She fell and began to cry. Her tears, falling on the ground, revived a small sprout, which, warmed by the sun, began to grow rapidly. It grew into a huge and delicious chip tree.
I wonder what it looks like. Oh, let's draw a chip tree.
And then we'll look for it.
This picture has lost its colors. Let's get them back. Swipe your magic wand over the picture. All colors have been restored. Great job!
This is what it looks like.
Its leaves are chips, and you can enjoy mashed potatoes from the hollow.
Such team! We need to find this chip tree.
Hello, I am a Colorado potato beetle.
Who?
I heard that you were looking for chips, so here I am, a great expert to help you.
Really?
Sure. In fact, you need to look for chips underground, not on a tree.
Whoa!
Chips are made from potatoes. A potato is a vegetable. Many delicious vegetables grow underground. For example, beets, carrots, turnips, radishes, and potatoes also grow underground.
Wow, that's so interesting.
Maybe we can look for some potatoes together.
Sure, with great pleasure. This is a potato field. You will find several potatoes under each bush.
Magnifique!
You just need to dig them up.
Huh? Well, let's get started, team.
I'm ready.
Let's help our friends dig out the potatoes. First, we need to... Perfect. Now let's dig out the potatoes. All the potatoes have been dug up. Nice job. Now we need to collect all the potatoes in one place. Transfer all the potatoes. Great job. Thanks for the help.
Mr. Colorado Beetle! Stop eating the potatoes!
Sorry, friends. I am crazy about potatoes.
There will not be any left at all to make chips!
I just can't resist when I see potatoes.
Oh no, this is not good.
Please, don't make me leave.
We don't need helpers who will eat all the potatoes.
I'm sorry. I'll help you make the chips.
Everyone makes mistakes. Let's give him another chance.
Now I'll make potato chips for you.
Okay, we will see. I can't wait to try them.
To make chips, we need to peel the potatoes first. Great job! Now we need to cut the potatoes into slices. Slide your finger along the line to cut the potatoes. Let's fry our chips. Transfer all potato wedges to the fryer. Our crispy chips are ready.
The chips are ready. Bon appetit.
Thank you, Mr. Colorado Beetle. Now we know that chips don't really grow on trees.
That's for sure.
Why does Heidi run fast?
Oh, hey, Heidi.
Did you forget?
Forget what?
We're meant to go and watch the new play together.
I'm so sorry, Heidi. I did forget.
If we run, we can still make the start of the play. Let's go!
Let's help Bimmy and Heidi get to Ben. Take the friends through the maze. Amazing! Bimmy and Heidi made it to Ben so quickly.
You're a little early. The play doesn't start for another half an hour.
Oh, I thought it was going to start this morning.
So, we didn't need to run after all?
Running is fun. I can't believe you're out of breath. We didn't even run very far. I think maybe you need to cut down on the hot chocolate. You're getting unhealthy.
What do you mean unhealthy?
I can run for ages, and I don't get out of breath. You need to get fit like me.
How do I get fit?
Getting fit is about many things. Eating the right food, doing more exercise, and looking after your body.
How does doing more exercise make you fit, though?
I'm glad you asked. Let's do some warm-up exercises and I'll explain.
More exercise?
You'll get fit, remember?
That's it. Nice deep breaths. It will get more air into your lungs and give you energy to exercise.
Let's do a couple of exercises. Match the movement to the silhouette. That was a great warm-up. Way to go.
It's working!
So, the more exercise we do, the more our heart, lungs, and muscles work and get stronger. Which means you can exercise for longer in the future. That's what we mean by getting fitter.
Getting fit is fun!
Yes, it is. Okay, we'll finish with 5 jumps. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5! I won!
I wasn't racing anyway.
So, you'll do more exercise from now on, Bimmy?
Yes! Every day!
Good.
But now I think...
I'll get us some drinks. It's important to have a drink after exercise.
Maybe not hot chocolate, though.
No, water is best.
I'll have some water then, please.
Me too. Please, Ben.
I'm going to get as fit as you and Ben.
Well done, Bimmy Boo. I'm very proud of you.
Let's help to set the scene. Put a star in the slot in order to move the curtain. Amazing!